Having our North American presence allows us to get products to our customers when they need it and how they need it, without having to wait. We save our customers time by being there for them all the time. We won't end up with product on the ocean that needs some type of fix. They can call us right away and we can make those adjustments in the plant today and get them the product they need and give them the response right away. It's quality now. Our people are here in the US to design the product, fix the product, build the product. Our customers, if they have a problem, we have our sales team who will be there right away to help you solve that problem. We can design solutions that'll help build a better quality trailer, a better quality assembly machine, and allow our customers to, in the end, deliver a better quality product to their customers. We understand the value of North American production. We put that emphasis on building a quality product and meeting those specifications that some of those companies don't, especially from overseas. We put that time and effort and money and investment into building, testing, and manufacturing that product to the highest level possible to make sure our customers and our customers' reputations are protected in the end.